Hello, we want to thank you for joining the Stripco team. We're going to take a few minutes today and we're going to show you how to start, how to run, and how to maintain your Stripco machine. Be sure to read your instruction manual before you begin any of these processes. The first thing we need to do is get the machine started. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and do that. Set the start-run valve to the start position. Turn the ignition circuit breaker switch to the on position. Push the bypass button and hold. Turn the ignition switch to the start position and hold until the engine starts. Release the bypass button when the engine oil pressure is established. Let the engine warm up. Turn the start-run valve to the run position and the compressor is now on and ready for full load operation. The next step after starting the engine is to turn the air coolers on. The next step is to make sure that the moisture separator water valve is turned to a 45-degree angle. After that, turn on the compressor air valve. Make your way around to the other side of the machine and turn the air valve on the blast pot to the on position. You should notice that when you depress the trigger, the ball valve rotates. To decrease the amount of soda being used, press down on the remote adjustable flow control. To increase the amount of soda being used, press up. To adjust the pressure up, turn the set screw in. To adjust the pressure down, turn the set screw out. And make sure you have the locking nut in place before you close the lid. When it's time to fill the blast pot, make sure that you turn the air pressure to the off position and then pull down the pressure release valve. Once the blast pot is depressurized, it's time to open the fill cap. Insert the fill funnel and put the soda in one bag at a time. After the soda is in the blast pot, remove the funnel and make sure that the lid is flush on all sides. Take a minute to inspect the safety arms and make sure that there's no blast media. Then close the safety arms and secure. Make sure that the safety nut is hand tight. To use the water injection nozzle, carefully thread the hose adapter into the nozzle and make sure not to cross thread. As you use the water injection nozzle, you control the amount of water with the valve on the adapter. You use water for two reasons: to control dust or neutralize rust. Maintenance on the machine is quite simple. There are a couple things you want to be sure to do. Change the fuel filter and maintain the oil as directed. There are two air filters, one on each side of the machine. It's very important to clean those daily. Well, there you have it. Hopefully you've learned how to run, operate, and maintain your stripping machine. If you have any questions, you can always refer back to this video, read your instruction manual, or visit us at sodablasting.com.